My name is Shane McEvoy. I'm a landscape gardener and garden maintenance business. And this G26 Kubota is what we use for mowing the lawns. I would have started off with a G23 back in 2017. We bought the G23 off Martin Dowd in Clarkes. Then this time last year, I upgraded to the G26. A very big machine. A lot of people would say, not suitable for the smaller garden, but every garden suitable for any garden. Small garden over here that we would have mowed earlier. No problem with manoeuvrability. Once you know how to handle it, everything's pretty straightforward. The G23, as before, the main difference in the G26, size of the deck. You have the wider deck on the G26. The wider deck brings you out past the level of your wheels, so I find it gives a better finish on your cut, because the deck is lifting the grass all the time, even when the tyre is putting the grass down, but the deck is that bit wider and it's lifting the grass as it goes along and leaves a much cleaner finish. Look, at the G23, there was never a problem with the finish it left on it, but again, you get closer you see around here a lot of trees, a lot of bark edges, you get right into the edge, and even under a fence you'll get the deck, because you have that extra bit of width, you'll get in under the fence. It eliminates a lot of stripping. Still need to be stripped, but eliminates a lot of the work. You get right in close to it. The fuel doesn't come into it, because to me it's the petrol strimmers would burn more petrol in the cost-wise than the diesel. I buy machinery to work it hard. It's not there to look pretty. It's there to work hard. I put this through its paces and it stands up to everything I've asked it. The maintenance service that Clarkes provide down in the shop themselves, I'd be lost without them, because I'm relying on them to do what they know best, and I'll do what I know best.